In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform tables. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating from your forms into the tables view, adding the data you need, and organizing it so everything is easy to find and understand. First, log into your Jotform account using your regular credentials. Once you're in, go to your list of forms. Hover your cursor over the form you want to work with. This reveals a quick menu of actions. Click More, and then choose Submissions. That single click opens the Jotform tables editor for that specific form. Inside the tables editor, think of what you're seeing as a powerful spreadsheet that stays perfectly in sync with your form. Each row represents a single submission, and each column matches one of the fields on your form. At the top, you'll see a toolbar with key controls to add data, manage columns, and filter what you're looking at. On the left, you can navigate different sections of your table if they appear, and on the right, you'll often find settings tied to the view you're using. If you need to add information manually, you can add a new row. Use the Add Row option at the top of the table to create a fresh entry. Click into any cell to type or select values, just like you would in a spreadsheet. Edits save automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your changes. To add a new column, use the Add Column control in the toolbar. You can create a simple text column for notes, or choose a column type that fits what you're tracking. You can also create a column that pulls from existing form fields, so everything stays consistent. Drag column headers left or right to reorder them, and resize columns to keep important details visible. When you want to focus on specific submissions, use filters. Click the filter button to set conditions, like showing only entries from a certain date or responses that match a particular answer. You can also filter from a columns menu to see only the values you care about in that column. Combine filters to narrow things down even further, and clear them any time to return to the full list. Other useful options include hiding or showing columns to reduce clutter, sorting columns to see newest or highest values first, and opening a row to view the full submission details. Remember, any updates you make here reflect directly on the underlying submission data, so keep your edits intentional. That's it. Log in, open submissions for more, and you're in Jotform tables, ready to add, organize, and filter your data with confidence.